And then they beat me, oh. And they beat me for life, though. What's on this washing machine and them.
Okay.
This is fridge.
They not tell you how to fix am.
They not tell me, oh. They go tell me how to fix am. How me go test sabi fix am? What's on this?
Don't do it yourself.
Wow. You don't gang. Oh, I hear they put soap. They put soap inside here. I think how they put soap now. See what talk about something. Heat where they Italy now and heat where won't keep us you. When we break, that will break you. Ross of your shorty, this kind of thing can't break the same when you return like I'll carry another one. Oh, help me carry come up again.
No.
Yeah, though. So carry come up now be the issue.
She knows the remote things. The remote things now, the things not they strong.
You know they strong.
No, before all this.
And now they cost pass all those their yeah model. It is strong before.
School, the thing is now.
Eh.
Not the school now. This one on a clip. So, come drag out with 4 times.
It go break.
If you still remove the clip now, you can't need to go to the clip and again. Wow, Papa, let's see what next now. Most of the back whether they remove the key for you. You know, remove them more. Boom.
Which one be the key?
You
The get key?
yes, now. You need to do for if not, you go to dance.
Ah.
Before you wake up, your machine will your to wait for you.
Guys, I don't know say washing machine they hard to fix like this, so they hard to fix. So this one are my former fridge. This one are the freezer where they used before. Now this one I won't change. I buy this one new before, but now this small freezer, you know, too big. So before I come buy this new one, I don't buy another new one. So we they arrange. After we arrange finish now, the whole house don't mess. I don't mess up the whole house. So I go on that fridge and I go open that freezer. Make una look am. Now freezer no be fridge, full freezer. I go open and no check am. Those are my birthday things, birthday gifts. You know, is you another one. See another tea again. This one another big something again. New washing machine. Provate. New washing machine. Congratulations to me. Oh.
Bluetooth na ala.
Now Bluetooth will connect up.
No, not digital na. I know, go. It's not supposed to work now.
Don't work. Okay. If I just put clothes now, I go just depress.
I tell you, touch me. I got to put stop.
You know they move.
They collect water need to enter first.
If you just on that from here, you got a programmer for here.
You got programmer for here. Press this one start.
See key, which one be this key? And to lock
the door lock.
You don't open that water. So guys, my washing machine is washing now. It's washing clothes. You see that? Brand new. Let me post it. If I want to just, it's working with Bluetooth. I pause. Stop working. So I'm just testing it.